everyone. Today we're going to be having Canadian African bastardized rinda in the raw fufu and some nice soup that I made with beans, coconut, and a variety of different ingredients to make it nice, such as onion, garlic, and all that stuff. And then we've got a couple of items out of my garden, some nice little mixed microgreens, as it were. So that's what we're having today. And then click like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for any upcoming videos of me being silly, sometimes being informative, other times having nice mukbangs or trying new things. So stay tuned for fun things like that. We're going to be having some nice marigold, scratch that. We're going to be having some nice Morning Glory petals that I ground up. So let's have some of that, shall we? Beautiful color. Pretty. Nice and fresh. I did freeze some, and some were, cheers. Grab a plate and join me. Ooh, that tastes nice. Let's eat that food. Let's shut up and eat, because we don't want it to get, we do not want it to get cold on me, because it always seems to do that. This is collard greens. Let some bugs help themselves to first. Oh, that's nice. Little piece of soil. Soil! I don't want to eat soil. Hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy. This is oatmeal fufu, by the way. a little bit spicy, not too bad. Bite. This coconut tastes so good. The contrast, only you could taste it. This is dinosaur kale. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough holes in the container, excuse me, so it didn't grow as quick as I needed it. It was big, but as it should have and could have grown at this point. So it is the end of October, and they're still growing outside because they can tolerate the cold at night. Excuse me. Almost feels like it's going to snow tonight here in Edmonton. It is, what's the date? I think it's the 22nd, if not the 21st of October. So we're just on our Gibbons moon, the latter part of the moon phase. Collard greens, so good for you. This is a little piece of okra. Ooh, windy out. tiny bit spicy. But I like it like that. Mm. Mm. That's so refreshing. Oh, it's so good. Cold. I don't know why this is almost getting salty at the moment. I put a cube of vegetable stock that I had bought at the store because I found that the first batch was a little too spicy for me, so I kind of like, what is the word? I watered it down of sorts with the vegetable stock, but like I said, it's a tiny bit salty. I don't like salt. In my young 50s, I don't want to take too much salt or sugar. That's why with this boost, I put different fresh ingredients so that I'm not taking as much the sugar in, but I do get the calories. I did not rinse my vegetables properly. Still a tiny bit of soil on there. Oopsie. Talk about thinking it might rain. I think it's just starting to rain now. That's good for the plants and trees before they go dormant and sleep for the winter. Get a good drink before they go to sleep. Different parts of Canada, this time of year, it's usually snowed by now. So it's slightly surprising that it's this warm out in comparison to what it is. Another piece of gravel. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's windy out. Oh God. That was good. Oh. Oh. Spicy and salty. Not like overwhelmingly salty, but still. Oh. Last bite. Yeah, babe. Compliments to the chef. Who, where do you live? Do you compliment the chef with a burp? Let me know in the comments. Whoa, that was a big swallow. I felt that. Well, Did you know that that little dangly thing in the back of your throat does control how you swallow? So that if it's dangling wrong, not hanging down, you can actually choke. Word to your brother and mother, sister and father. With Morning Glory seeds, there is something that can be, I think, psychedelic or something. But if you're just using the petals, it's very calming. So it's Friday night. No alcohol, no drugs, but this is my calming agent to help me. I'll go watch a nice movie, sit and relax and have a nice, calm evening. My finger turns color when it's getting cold.